everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you these Dewalt tie-down ratchet straps. There are two different options. You can get them in the 2-pack. The model number is DXBC18002, or they're available in a 4-pack, DXBC18004. This is a look at the product packaging right out of the box. I received 2 sets of the 2-pack and 1 of the 4-pack. You can take a screwdriver and pop open the seams, but you will need a knife to cut the zip tie portion. I'm using my new push and flip knife. If you missed that review, you can see it under my recent uploads on my channel. You'll find an instruction manual that you'll want to keep and refer to, and I also want to point out that this product is covered by a 1-year limited warranty. The straps are made of a premium webbing. They're Dewalt yellow with reinforced edging and stitching in black. There is a large Dewalt logo right here on the top. They measure 12 feet in overall length. That's a total measurement taken from hook to hook, and they're 1 1/4 inch in width. The safe working load is 600 pounds, and the break strength rating is 1,800 pounds. The straps are made of a UV and weather-resistant polyester, and the metal ratchet components are also made to withstand the elements. The S-hooks are black-coated to prevent marring and won't scratch your cargo. They have an ergonomic handle, reinforced release pad, and side panel caps. This is how to operate the tie-down straps. With the ratchet completely closed, thread the webbing from the longer portion through the spool of the ratchet wheel and back out the front. Connect both hooks and make sure you release all of the slack. That part is critical. Open the ratchet by lifting the release bar and then tighten by raising and lowering the ratchet handle. Make sure you don't over tighten, but at the same time, make sure you have a minimum of 2 full wraps of webbing around the reel. Lock the ratchet in the closed position. To loosen, pull the release bar until the ratchet is completely flat and it pops open. You'll be able to release the tension on the straps and remove the hooks now. I used my ratchet set to move this 8-foot antique hutch over the weekend. They worked great, but as you can see, the loose ends coiled around on themselves in the wind. So I looked at ways to secure them and found 2 popular methods. The first is to roll the extra strap into a circle with a space in the middle, then loop it through on itself twice. The other is to wrap it up like a ribbon and tie it kind of like a bow, then roll the excess and give it another click. That ain't going anywhere. The last thing I want to cover is storage, and I found this solution by wrapping up the long side, leaving just about 1 foot extra. Then wrap the smaller side and place it on top of the bigger strap. Loop that loose end through several times and secure it in place. The set is compact, lightweight, and weighs around 19 ounces. If you have any questions about this product, leave them for me in the comments. Also, I'll add shopping links in the description of this video for your convenience. If you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll hit that follow button and look me up. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.